How to fix Google Bard not available in your country. Today in this video, I will be teaching you how to fix Google Bard not available in your country. So, Bard is an artificial intelligence chatbot like ChatGPT 4, but there are conditions to use. They are only available in either UK or US. So to make it available in your country, what you can do is first go to Play Store. In the search bar of the Play Store, search for VPN and you can install VPN. After it is downloaded, go to the app. Here, click on the fastest location. And right here, you should see a France flag. Just click on one of the location. Now on the screen, you can see that it has been connected. And that means I can use anything on my browser available in France. And also it means that I'm using France server and there should not be any obstruction connecting to the Google Bard. So that's about it. And in this way you can fix Google Bard not available in your country. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.